Once again for The Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, as always, it's my pleasure to sit on the set here with you guys.
Yeah, right.
Chemistry. It's
Yeah,
a good thing.
Can't get enough of it.
We love this set.
I bet you do. All right, let's get to this question from Lisa in Stroudsburg. She says, I'm going through a divorce and I'm really worried about my kids being around my ex-husband's new girlfriend. I know she has a criminal past and I'm concerned for their safety. Will the court help me?
Lisa, we probably need more information to answer this particular question. I mean, just because that individual has a criminal past, that doesn't necessarily mean that, your kids are, in danger when they're with your ex-husband and his, his new girlfriend. Now, obviously, depending on what that criminal history is, I mean, if it was a sex offense or something of that nature, that may change the circumstances. But we probably need more information to to answer that question, because at the end of the day, I mean, in any type of custody situation, the court is going to look to see what is in the best interest of the children. And obviously, if this person has an extensive criminal background, that's not going to be in the best interest of the kids. But we probably need a little bit more information to really answer that question.
Yeah, I agree with Ed, because we need more information, because it could be an extensive background for drunk driving. I don't know. I mean, we just need more information. But the courts will help, just so you understand, if there's a legitimate basis for you to contest your children being around a certain person. So the courts are more than willing to listen. You need to get a lawyer who does that type of work, file petitions to modify custody. You could do emergency relief petitions depending on how serious your concerns are. So there's a lot of different options that are out there for you, but you have to be prepared to go into court and have your case heard. And you're going to need good representation on that, because it's very fact specific. It's going to take a lot of homework, and the evidence is going to have to be given to a judge who's going to have to eventually make that decision. Is this in the best interest of my kids to keep my kids away from this person? That's it.
All right, for our viewers who need your legal advice, what's the best way for them to get in touch with you?
And we do not do divorce work.
No.
So what we do is you give us a call at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com, and we can give you a great referral out.
Yeah, and they're all these calls are confidential. I mean, so a lot of times these are very emotional situations whenever you're going through custody or divorce, and children are involved, and we understand that that really is emotional, and all the calls you call us, it's a confidential call, and we'll get you to the right person.
Yep. All right, results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks for being here today. PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are now open. Give us a call and let us know your question for the show.